Hi everybody, Joel Myers here from my friends at Best Chevrolet. We're excited to be open for business and here to help you with all of your automotive needs. Whether you're looking for a new or pre-owned vehicle or need service or parts, we're here for you, just like normal. But with a few special new safety features to keep everyone safe. So we've implemented a 5-point safety plan to ensure your safety and ours. First, we'll help you do more from home. You can shop our entire new and pre-owned inventory online. If you have questions, simply email or call, and one of our salespeople will be happy to help. You can also schedule service for your vehicle right on your computer. We'll even pick up your vehicle, bring it into the dealership for service, give it a thorough cleansing when we're finished, and return it back to you. Our entire dealership is professionally deep cleaned nightly. Our sales and service staffs are now wearing masks, and we'd be happy to offer you one as well. We can conduct your test drive and your purchase transaction with absolutely no person-to-person contact. Finally, we've installed protective barriers within our dealership and surface covers on vehicles. Our buying incentives have never been better. Best Chevrolet is currently offering 0% financing for 84 months and 90 days of deferred payments. Ask your salesperson for all the details on these great offers. Best Chevrolet, 2600 Veterans Boulevard in Kenner, where your safety is our top priority. The buying incentives have never been better. For more details, give us a call, 504-667-6977, or visit us online at bestchevrolet.com.